Miss Aquas. Good to see you again. Now I'm seeing you in your lab.
I just cannot believe you are closer to me in the lab. It's very, very modest, it's basic lab, but miracles can happen here. I'm going to show you, I have so many things to show you, but today I'm going to show you, because we have started it, to show you how basic you can actually heal your skin. Now, we have taken this soap from the market and we are going to transform it into a healthy skin cleanser and a healing cleanser to heal all the inflammation on your skin.
Wow.
If it is based on the skin.
Yes.
All you do, you see, you don't need any lotions and potions. You get your grater. And then find a very basic soap that has no fragrance.
Right.
You grate it. See what I'm doing?
Yes.
And you'll be hearing and that is Ghana accent coming in, right? You just grate it. Now, what you do is that when you have finished, you get this flakes of the soaps.
Yes.
Now you are going to throw in all the botanics. You're going to throw in all the essentials. You're going to throw in all the things, all the mutis. The South Africans, we call it muti. The muti that will make your skin glow.
Okay.
And get rid of all the inflammation on your skin.
Like
and your hair will just grow. So, one of them is turmeric.
Okay.
One of them is moringa. One of them is neem powder.
Right, I've heard
One of them, you know, all this rolled oats.
Yes.
One of them is cinnamon powder. One of them is cardamom powder. If you haven't heard of cardamom powder and you are eating biryani in South Africa, that is what we call cardamom. You will find it in biryani.
Yes.
You will find it in jollof rice.
Yes.
So all the ingredients and spices you find in jollof rice that you put inside your body,
you put on your skin.
Also put it on your skin.
Yes.
So we're going to throw them all in here.
Okay.
One of them is baobab powder. Baobab powder is nicknamed the African vitamin C. So why don't you put it here? If you can eat it, then you can
put it on your skin. Absolutely.
You put it here, make it all into a solid soap, bar of soap, and then we'll press it hard into a liter of container, and then you use it for your skin.
Okay.
And I always say that when you go in the shower, it is your healing time.
Yes.
Don't even think about it. You heal as you walk in the shower.
Okay.
You come out as you heal without thinking about it. And give yourself about 3 months. It is not a quick fix. 3 months, 3 months, I'm telling you, people are going to look at your skin and going to say, oh my darling, you are glowing. What is happening? And then you will tell them it is African muti.
Okay.
African muti, that is giving you the buttocks. African buttocks.
Okay.
Through natural ingredients.
Amen.
Okay.
Amen. Amen. And this young man over here, what does he do?
So this young man called Fungi is my lab manager.
Oh, okay.
Fungi joined me as gardener from Zimbabwe. And I said, Fungi, I can see a spirit in you. And Fungi said, oh, I went to school and I failed. I was the last in the class. And I said, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care the education. You know, informal education is the strongest of them all.
Yes,
it is from the unknown
Yeah.
to from the known to the unknown. The known is the informal education. So you got it, my darling. You got it.
Yes.
Let's do this together.
Yes.
And I started training him from the garden. And you see, he didn't know what he had. The natural things are from the garden, from the land, from the rivers, from the forest of Africa.
Yes.
He didn't know he had it. And I pulled him out. And then we decided to put all the natural ingredients from Africa together.
Okay.
And he became a formulator.
All right.
So he now is a formulator.
Wow.
So if you have bought anything from Orobaa of Africa, you are have the formulator here with me.
So you tell him what to, how much of this and that to put into your everything you're making here.
Yes. So then what I do is that I said, fungi, we are going to add the science. Science is very important too. We don't undermine science. Science is great, but don't undermine your natural, your indigenous power. So let's bring the science together. So we do the calculations, we put all the percentages together.
Yes.
I have taught him from my science skills.
Yes.
I have taught him to do the formulation, the calculations, the percentages, so that when it lands on your skin, it does not sensitize your skin. So it will match your pH, your skin's pH, your hair pH, your scalp pH, so you will not be sensitized.
Yes.
A lot of people
it's
out
very
there,
important.
yes.
Yeah, because the wrong pH can,
yes.
if it's on your hair, it could break your hair.
Absolutely. Your
your
hair can go brittle. Your skin can be sensitized.
Exactly.
And a lot of people come to us and say, my skin is extremely sensitive. And I say, no, it cannot be sensitive. Not everybody, 100% of everybody is sensitive. No, it should be, maybe your skin has been sensitized.
Right.
So let's help you understand how and why.
Yes.
And we bring them together.
Yes.
So yes, so this is the, let me show you this one here. So here we have shea butter. Shea butter is popular at the moment.
I saw him pouring the liquid in to these containers, and now they're solidifying.
Yes. So this shea butter here, we have stimulated the shea butter. When you melt down shea butter, never ever ever put it on a direct heat. Shea butter has phytochemicals, vitamin E, A, F, and 7 fatty acids. Minerals and vitamins are heat sensitive, so don't ever direct heat it.
That's right.
Do the double boiling.
Double boiler.
So that's what we did with our thermometer, directly waiting for it to go below 30, and then we'll take it out and we'll manipulate it. When we manipulate it, we just use a hand whisk, just a hand whisk.
Okay.
And then when we get the right temperature, we pour. You've got to get to the right temperature before you pour. If you don't do that, my darlings, you are going to have sand in your jar. It looks so brittle and not brittle, but it looks so gritty, like sand.
Yes,
and that is not
gritty.
so you have just distorted the composition of the shea butter. So make sure you understand shea butter before you melt it down. Other than that, you will have something different in your hands and you wonder, oh my word, that is sand in my palms, and when you rub it, it is really irritating. So always remember, you have to get the knowledge before you melt down shea butter, so you can have the right chemicals, phytochemicals on your body.
And have a nice formulation like right here. Thank you very much, Akras, and I wish you all the continued success.
Oh, thank you so much, love.
And thanks for taking care of our skin, giving us the opportunity.
But we have to share the knowledge, guys.
Yeah, you know what? I went to the mall the other day, and I talked with 2 black women there, young women, and we were having a good time. They were so happy to meet me, you know, from America and such like that. And then they asked me about my skin, because when I told them how old I was, they were like, oh, I had no idea. And we started talking about skin, and they wanted to know what to do. And I mentioned shea butter. They're both from South Africa, and they don't know anything about shea butter. I said, you don't know anything about, you're from Africa, and you don't know about shea butter? They did not know.
I know what.
Oh my gosh.
It's like whatever you are telling me is like you are bruising my wound.
Wow.
When I arrived here about 11 years ago, I never brought my shea butter and African black soap, which are basic.
Right.
In West Africa.
Right.
And it's an African ingredient.
Yeah.
So I thought I was going to walk into a shop and just pick up shea butter there.
Right.
Oh my word. I picked up every single jar and I opened it and the smell was fragrance. And I was thinking, what is wrong with these products? Why are they writing shea butter and it has different fragrance in there? So I now understand, and I kept on asking a lot of people around whether they know shea butter, and they didn't know. And they thought it was just a cream in a jar with a written word shea butter. They didn't know the color of the shea butter, they didn't know the smell and the feel and the texture and the viscosity. So I had to I knew I had something to do. I knew I had a job to do. I had to take the raw shea butter to the rest of Africa and the rest of the world.
Yes.
So my job at the moment is to show the rest of the world that shea butter is not only for the skin, but it is the olive oil of Africa.
Wow, wow, wow,
So
wow.
when you want to use shea butter to glow your skin, to sort out skin inflammation, if it is topical, go for the raw authentic shea butter.
Raw shea butter.
You have this to decide what carrier oil to add in, and you have to decide what other essential oils to add in. Do not allow the big guys to put in the mimics, the synthetics. They don't work. I promise you, they don't work. This is my living oil and butters.
Yes.
That please go to the source. Go to the source.
Yes.
That is where the healing is.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.